In the world of health and nutrition, superfoods have become a buzzword. These foods are nutrient-dense, packed with vitamins, minerals, antioxidants, and other compounds that provide exceptional health benefits. Superfoods are often hailed for their potential to support everything from heart health and digestion to skin vitality and brain function. But what exactly are superfoods, and how can you incorporate them into your everyday meals? This video will explore what superfoods are, why they're beneficial, and provide practical tips on how to include them in your diet to optimize your health. Before we get started, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. Why are superfoods important? Eating a variety of nutrient-rich foods is essential for maintaining good health. Superfoods offer a concentrated dose of the nutrients that help prevent deficiencies and ensure the body is functioning at its best. They are especially important because they contain high amounts of antioxidants, which help fight free radicals in the body, unstable molecules that can contribute to chronic disease and aging. In addition to antioxidants, many superfoods are high in fiber, which supports digestion and helps regulate blood sugar levels. Others provide heart-healthy fats, protein, or anti-inflammatory compounds, all of which are essential for long-term health. By incorporating more superfoods into your diet, you can improve your overall nutrient intake without resorting to supplements or expensive health products. Common superfoods and their benefits. There's no shortage of superfoods to choose from, and each comes with its own unique set of health benefits. Below are some of the most popular superfoods and what makes them so beneficial. 1. Berries, blueberries, strawberries, raspberries. Berries are rich in antioxidants, particularly anthocyanins, which have been linked to reduced inflammation and improved brain function. They are also high in vitamin C, fiber, and low in calories, making them great for supporting immunity, skin health, and digestive health. How to incorporate? Add berries to smoothies, oatmeal, yogurt, or enjoy them as a simple snack. 2. Leafy greens, spinach, kale, Swiss chard. Leafy greens are nutrient powerhouses packed with vitamins A, C, and K, as well as folate, fiber, and calcium. These vegetables also contain compounds that help lower the risk of chronic diseases, including certain types of cancer and heart disease. How to incorporate? Toss leafy greens into salads, blend them into smoothies, saute them with garlic and olive oil, or add them to soups and stews. 3. Avocados. Avocados are known for their heart-healthy monounsaturated fats, particularly oleic acid, which helps lower bad cholesterol. They are also rich in fiber, potassium, and vitamin E, which contribute to good skin, digestion, and healthy blood pressure. How to incorporate? Use avocados in salads, spread them on toast, blend them into smoothies, or make guacamole for a healthy snack. 4. Nuts and seeds. Almonds, chia seeds, flax seeds, walnuts. Nuts and seeds are great sources of healthy fats, protein, and fiber, making them ideal for maintaining a balanced diet. They also contain vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants that support brain health, heart health, and weight management. How to incorporate? Sprinkle nuts and seeds onto salads, yogurt, or oatmeal, or add them to smoothies. You can also enjoy them as a quick snack. 5. Salmon and fatty fish. Fatty fish like salmon, mackerel, and sardines are rich in omega-3 fatty acids, which have been shown to reduce inflammation, support brain health, and promote heart health. They are also a good source of high-quality protein and vitamin D. How to incorporate? Include fatty fish in your diet 2 to 3 times a week by grilling, baking, or adding them to salads or sandwiches. 6. Sweet potatoes. Sweet potatoes are an excellent source of beta-carotene, which the body converts into vitamin a vital nutrient for healthy skin, vision, and immune function. They are also high in fiber, which aids digestion and helps maintain steady blood sugar levels. How to incorporate? Roast sweet potatoes, mash them, or use them in soups, casseroles, or even smoothies. 7. Quinoa. Quinoa is a complete protein, meaning it contains all 9 essential amino acids. It's also high in fiber, B vitamins, and minerals like magnesium, iron, and potassium. It's a great gluten-free option for those looking for a healthy alternative to rice or pasta. How to incorporate. Use quinoa as a base for salads, stir-fries, or as a side dish to replace grains like rice or couscous. 8. Turmeric. Turmeric contains curcumin, a powerful anti-inflammatory compound that has been shown to help reduce the risk of chronic conditions like arthritis, heart disease, and even cancer. It also has antioxidant properties that help protect cells from damage. How to incorporate. Add turmeric to curries, soups, or smoothies. You can also mix it into tea or warm milk for a soothing golden milk drink. 9. Greek yogurt. Greek yogurt is an excellent source of probiotics, which support gut health and the immune system. It's also high in protein, calcium, and B vitamins, which are important for muscle health, bone density, and energy production. How to incorporate. Enjoy Greek yogurt as a snack, or use it as a base for smoothies, dressings, or parfaits. 10. Green tea. Green tea is rich in antioxidants, particularly catechins, which are believed to help improve metabolism, support brain health, and protect against oxidative stress. Regular consumption has been linked to a reduced risk of heart disease and certain types of cancer. How to incorporate. Drink a cup of green tea in the morning or during an afternoon break, or use it as a base for smoothies. Superfoods are an excellent way to enhance the nutritional value of your diet. These nutrient-packed foods offer a range of health benefits, including improving heart health, boosting energy, and supporting the immune system. By incorporating a variety of superfoods into your daily meals, you can ensure that your body gets the nutrients it needs to thrive. Start small by adding a few superfoods to your regular routine and gradually experiment with new ingredients to see which ones work best for you. Eating a colorful and diverse array of superfoods is an easy and delicious way to support your long-term health. What do you think of our video? Let me know in the comment section below. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit that like button. Also, subscribe to our channel before you go. Thank you for watching.